Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. It's a big 23-foot dual console. It's actually just under 25 feet in overall length. We'll start with the way we've powered this boat. We've equipped it with the 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. That's the new V8 in the white paint. Across the transom you have two rod holders. You have a nice big transom seat that has high backrest and nice depth to it. It's a very comfortable seat to sit in. And it's going to tuck back nicely into the transom to keep your vinyls protected and open up your cockpit space or fishable. Nice big hardtop on this boat, powder coated stanchions with rod holders. As we make our way forward on the port side, you have a very easy to use port side lounger. The seat's going to fold forward to give you an aft facing lounger. You have your back-to-back seat, or if you want to use a forward-facing lounger, you also have some supports under here as well. This is also where your live well is located. You have a stainless steel mount to set up a cockpit table. Also on the port side, you have a head compartment. This boat is equipped with the vacuum flush head, and there's also a freshwater sink in there as well. Nice stainless steel windshield cap. Behind the helm seat, you have accordion countertop, freshwater sink, and designated cooler storage underneath. At the helm, we have the 9-inch Raymarine Axiom, your Mercury vessel view, Raymarine VHF radio. Boat's equipped with the Fusion stereo, active trim tabs with LED indicators. You have a lockable storage compartment in the floor with rod racks. As we make our way up to the bow of the boat, two full-length loungers, port and starboard side, and you have great storage under here as well. And that's where your tabletop has designated storage. This boat is going to come equipped with the bow sunshade, which attaches to the hardtop and is going to set up in the two forward rod holders. You have a freshwater sprayer in the bow, and this boat's also equipped with a windlass anchor. That's a real quick look at the 2020 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. If you'd like to see this boat or any other whalers we have in stock, stop down to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach and check us out.